president of the local chapter here at ASU, and it sounded, we were talking off camera, it sounds like you spent a lot of time trying to keep the program afloat. Tell us what's going on.
Correct. Well, what we're trying to do, as these guys mentioned, the club really doesn't have much history here at ASU. Back in 1991, actually, the team built the first carbon fiber monocoque car in competition, but there's really been no continuity. And so what we're trying to do, we've had a good core group of students, and we've been trying to kind of pick it up and kind of build a culture more than anything. We're very ambitious in what we're trying to do. We have 5 design teams. Formula is one of them, and we actually build 2 vehicles to that team. But we're trying to build a culture and make a truly interdisciplinary organization. So it's tough to keep the continuity, but we're coming in with new tools and new different, I guess, programs to keep students engaged. And as far as funding goes, we're trying to build some long-term sponsoring relationships. And
you had some funding cutbacks this year, I understand?
We did. We had the luxury in previous years of getting quite a bit of funding from the university. From various sources. We're not directly supported. We do represent the IRA Fulton Schools of Engineering, but we're not directly financially supported by them. Right. So we were able to cover our costs last year with that, but recent policy changes from some of those funding sources have left us without the money we needed to finish our electric vehicle. So we've been pursuing sponsorship, and unfortunately it's a little too late to enter competition with that vehicle, but we hope that for next year we'll be ready to go.
So I don't know if this will help at all, but as you know, Avnet, second largest employer here, a huge electronics component vendor. They're our major sponsor on the Drive for Innovation. We bought a second Chevy Volt and we tore it down, and we're doing an analysis all the way down to the board level, and we're decapping components. It's going to be very cool. What are we going to do with that car at the end? Well, we're going to give it to you guys.
Oh, wow.
We scored on this one.
That's the surprise.
That's awesome. Thanks so much.
So, so you get the car, you get all the components, you get part of the battery. Some of our guys are going to take a few of the cells out and do some additional analysis on it.
It's still a lot of battery.
But,
yeah, it is.
But you'll get most of it. So look
huge.
for that May timeframe.
That's awesome.
Be sure to give you a hug later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
congratulations, guys.
Thank you very much.